So Amazon have decided to increase the prices of printing books from June 20th, 2023. That means if you sell books on Amazon KDP, you have to update the prices of your books in light of the increase in cost of printing. If you choose not to update the price of your book, it means that if you are making $3 per book, your royalty will go down to about $1.30, or you might even get to make $0 from your book sold. But there's a big opportunity here for some of us who can recognize the advantages in these changes in prices. Since prices of books are going to be increasing, customers are now going to be choosing value over money. So it's not more just going to be throwing a couple of dollars to buy books. They are now going to be saying, since I'm spending more, let me find a better book to buy. There will definitely be a decrease in sales during this period, but I speculate that when the market now gets itself back, everything will come back to normal. Your job here is to make sure that you take advantage of the positive side of the change and run away from the negative side, or possibly minimize the effect of the negative. So what's the first thing you have to do? If you're like me that focus on quality above quantity, the first thing you want to do is to update the price of your best-selling books. In order to do that, you have to know the minimum prices of books. You go to your bookshelf, then choose one of your life books. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to come here, this 3 dots here, then click and select edit pricing from the menu. As you can see, the former price of this book was $8.98. The minimum price is $3.58. The printing cost was $2.15, and the royalty was $3.24. Mind you, this book is about 100 pages. Now you can see that after June 20, the minimum price I will be able to set my book for will be $4.73 against $3.58, making a difference of $1.15. If I decide not to adjust the printing price, then instead of making $3.24 as my royalty for every sale of the book, I'll be making $2.55. And that's as a result of the difference in printing costs, which is now $2.84 against the former $2.15. The difference of 69 cents. That makes it about 21% increase. So imagine if I sold 100 copies of this book before June 20, my royalty will be $324. But after June 20, my royalty will now be $255. So you can see that when you look at it in just how much you are going to lose per sale, it looks very small, but when you scale it up, it now becomes very significant. So in this case, I will just adjust the prices of my book to $10.89, which will now bring my royalty to $3.75 for any book that I sell after June 20. That's why I emphasize so much on the value of building a strong brand on Amazon to my students. Because if customers know your brand and value it a lot, the slight increase in prices will not really change the amount of sales that you are getting. If you want to be part of the students that I mentor in KDP, just get ready. By next month, I will open a window for you. Of course, there are certain requirements before you can come into my mentorship program, because I really don't want a lot of persons. It's going to be both a class and a one-on-one mentorship. There's no way possible I can deal with 1,000 people at a time. I'm just going to be taking 10 to 15 persons. So if you want to be among this group of persons, just get ready. By next month, the door will be open. But the price is going to be around 300k. But because of the fact that this is the first time I'm going to be opening it up to my YouTube audience, then I'm going to make it 200k. And for my international students, that will be around $450. I know it's going to be a very good investment based on the amount of returns you are going to get after the mentorship program. And this is going to be the last time I'm going to charge this low for a one-on-one mentorship. And of course, if at any time of the program you feel you're not getting value for your money, then you can definitely request a refund and I'll be happy to give it back to you. So enough with the mentorship program, let's come back to this video. If you have hundreds or even thousands of books on Amazon KDP, it's going to be very hard and time consuming for you to go to each and every one of your books to update the prices. So Amazon have a provision for those of you that have plenty books to update at once. All you have to do is to come back to your bookshelf and come to this banner here and click the one-time bulk list update. Then you can come to this, would you like to run a bulk list price change, earning the same royalties after the printing cost change? Then you can click yes, then you click continue. So how long is it going to take for them to update the price of all your books? As you can see here, it could take several weeks. And immediately after the bulk update is completed, then they will send you an email to notify you. And you're also advised not to update the prices of any of your book manually during this period, because while they are doing the updates, they would override the manual update that you have already done. So in case you are looking for an AI tool that is free for commercial use and can help you make quality interior pages for your coloring books, then you can watch this video here where I show you the exact AI tool that you are going to use to make coloring book pages for free.